If you actually started Joaking with us, you would know how this platform operates. So right here in this video, I'm going to make a review and also detailed explanation from my own experience while using this platform. Okay, but before we proceed with this video, guys, if you're coming across this channel for the first time and you're hearing this voice for the first time, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. Now, very quick, I'm going to be showing you the process of getting started on this platform. For some of us that already started with Joaking, we can actually see the advantage we are getting every single day. Now, this platform actually rewards their users for doing some hourly tasks right here, which is very simple, just like claiming and also referring friends. However, note that this video is for review and educational purpose. I am not a financial advisor. I am actually talking from experience. So I'm bringing this particular platform to you so you also can make your own review and see if it actually worth your time or not, as this is not a guaranteed way of you earning online. So what you can actually do after watching this video is to make your own review and also see if this particular platform suits well with you before going ahead to start up with it. So right here you can actually see where it says the free BnB every hour, meaning you are going to be rewarded every hour as the platform claims right here. So what you're going to be doing as a new user is very simple. You can come right here to click on the sign up button. So come right here and input your username. Let's say we are going with this particular username right here. So this is Joaking. So I'm going right here to put in an email address right here. So just follow this process to set up an account for yourself. So it is actually quite easy, just like the way we have it on Joaking. For some of us that have started with Joaking and we have actually started getting the value on Joaking. So I'm going to come right here and also input my password. All right, I'm going to put in my password right here and come right here and also repeat that same password. All right, so I'm going to check this box right here that I am human. Right, so once you've checked this, the next thing you want to do is to click on sign up. But right now I think this email has been used, so let's come right here and put in a figure. Okay, let me try this. So come right here and verify you're human, then come right here and click on sign up. All right, so you can see that we've signed up successfully. Now the moment you sign up, this is how your interface is gonna look like. There's what we call leveraging on platforms and also looting platforms. That is what I recommend you do right on this platform, because this is what you do once you log in. When you come right here, you can see clutter wave. So just come right here because you are going to be claiming hourly. Check this box. So once you check this, you can see claim. So click on claim. So the moment you click on claim, you can see you've gotten this. So come over to your balance. You can see that this has added to your balance. So this is what you do every hour. Now, the moment you just click that, you just have to come every hour to do the same thing. Now, when you come down right here, you are going to be seeing that this has actually started counting down for an hour for you to come back to get the claim again. So right here, that is not the only way you can use to get rewards. As you can see that there are several surveys right on this platform. Now the question most of us are asking is, how do I take these surveys without getting a VPN? So I recommend you get a VPN. Like free VPN can actually work with this. You just have to focus on surveys, because I have someone who have actually started getting much rewards from this particular survey. So you can see we have the one of 10 minutes and you can see the star rating, just like what I said in some of my videos, that once you see 5-star rating like this, you have more chances of getting to the end of that survey. So it will be advisable you go into any of these to maximize your earnings. You can see right here we have the 5 minutes, we have the 10 minutes, as the case may be. Now another way you can use to maximize earnings and rewards right here is to come right here. You are going to be seeing affiliate. Now once you click on affiliate and scroll down, you are going to be seeing your referral link. This is actually my referral link. Just copy this and refer your friends to this platform. Now the moment you keep on referring friends, you can come right here and you'll be seeing a claim button. Go ahead to click that claim button. Now the moment you click on that claim button, it's going to be added up to your balance. All right, but before you can withdraw right on this platform, you need to verify your email, just like what you're seeing right here. Thank you for registering. Please verify your email to get 10 free spin and double your faucet rewards. Now once you go ahead to verify your email, you'll be given chances of having a spin right on your account, and that will actually make you to place withdrawal whenever you've gotten to the withdrawal threshold. For some of us that are into Joaking, This is another way of you getting some rewards for yourself. Now once you claim on SoPick, you can also come right on BnbPick to claim your rewards. So you have two free platforms that can actually give you reward every hour. Now like I said, to maximize your earnings, you can go through surveys right here. Now this survey is what you can use to maximize your earnings. Now there's also time wall on this platform, which many of us have actually gotten some strategy of how we do it on this platform. And if you're yet to understand how we maximize earnings through time wall, you can comment right on this video, and I'm going to be sending you a link where you can actually watch a video and get to understand how it works. Now time wall is actually working all over the world. You can click on time wall, you can connect your UK time wall to your UK BnbPick. That is, if you created your BnbPick with a VPN, just like this one I created right here. This one was without VPN. So if I want to go ahead to connect my time wall, I just have to click on time wall like this. So once I click on time wall, it's going to bring me over to this interface. Now the profile you have on time wall, you just have to connect your time wall to this particular platform. That is, if you have in Nigeria or your country time wall on your account, you can go ahead to connect that, but you are going to be earning little points on that. If you actually want to maximize more on time wall, is for you to create your BNB to be the United Kingdom, and also your time wall should be in United Kingdom. Now that VPN is going to give you access to this CPS research and other surveys right here, as you can see them right here. So that is how you can maximize your earnings while using BnbPick. Now the question you want to ask is, how do I place withdrawal after accumulating my rewards? Now you are going to come right here and you are going to be seeing the withdraw option right here. Now the minimum withdrawal right here is 0.002 above. That means if you have 0.002 above, you can place your withdrawal. Now to place your withdrawal, you can see the selected network right here. You can see it right here, which is the BNB Smart Chain BEP20. Now you come right here and paste your wallet address and you put in the amount you want to withdraw, or you go ahead to click on max. Now the moment you click on that, you are going to be seeing the transaction fee right here. Then you check you're not you are human, then click on the withdraw button. Then instantly you're going to be getting your funds to your account. So this is actually how you can go about the BnbPick right on this platform. As you can see, they have other options which you can use to maximize your rewards. You can see the faucet, the games, the context, and the likes of others. Now when you come right to context, you are going to be seeing their current contents on this platform. If you can actually be part of it, you can see the contest will start on Monday at so time and end on Sunday at so time for wagering content. So these are the details you just need to do to join their contents. That is, if you choose to go about this. So it is actually user friendly. Like I said, for some of us that are already on SoPick, we can get to understand more better with this particular platform. So what you just need to do is to put in your time and claim hourly. Like I said, your surveys and your time wall, your offer walls can actually do more better to give you the rewards you actually need. Okay, so this is my experience and this is how I was able to maximize the rewards right on this platform. However, note that this is not a financial advice. This is actually my own review and educational video to show you how this platform works, so you also can leverage and get some rewards for yourself. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got much value in this video, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. However, it is always advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel, and my WhatsApp group. You are going to be finding the link on the pinned comment section, where you can join this wonderful family and get continuity of updates like this. So see you on my next video and keep winning.